the island, we started out with huts, right? And when we build these huts, we cover the other side. If the hut is shaped like an A, right? We cover one side and then cover the other side. And then the last thing that goes on in my hut is the very top of it, right? And when the very top is done, that means, it signifies that the house is ready for dwelling. Taualuga is the word for that. And whenever there's an event, or there's a cultural event in the Samoan culture, she calls it an event today, because this is where the Word of God, when she was standing here giving the Word of God, and she wants to do the Taualuga, is the finality of things when it comes to the Samoan culture. Because of our theme today about the island, this is what she wants to do, is to talk about the Taualuga. So Taualuga is the very last thing we do. That means the hut is ready for dwelling.